وسهلا ومرحبا بكم. Yes, it's me, Idris Kamish, once again, and we're back today with the program Enjoy Arabic, Book 1. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أهلا وسهلا يا أيها الطلاب. Hello and welcome all students. And we're back with the program Enjoy Arabic More. And today, as you can see, we are starting with lesson 4. So let's look at the top of the page. As you can see, it's page 14. And this is lesson 4, of course. The word for in Arabic is arba'ah. So we will say واحد اثنان ثلاثة أربعة. Arba is 4, and of course khamsa would be 5. However, if we say lesson 4, then in Arabic we are literally saying the 4th lesson, and that is ad-dars ar-rabi'. Ad-dars ar-rabi'. So we have arba'a, but in this case we say ar-rabi', the 4th lesson. I hope that's clear. طيب, let's move on. So here, first of all, udrus. Udrus, once again, means study. So you can say udrus ad-dars, study the lesson. Or udrus هذا الدرس, study this lesson. We'll explain هذا and so on again in future, inshallah. So we have 2 key words in this lesson. Firstly, هنا, which means yeah. هنا, yeah. And secondly, هناك. هناك means there. هناك. So basically, we are looking at a simple structure and, simple sentences that start with the and they end with is here or the is there. So that's the structure, or 2 structures. And in between, we have a variety of different words, in this case, nouns. So let's start from the first sentence. And of course, here we have qarin, which means compare once again, as we said before. So let's start. لنبدأ بالجملة الأولى. The first sentence, واحد. القلم هنا. القلم هنا. القلم هنا means the pen is here. The pen is here. القلم هنا, the pen is here. Right. Of course, we know from previous lessons that the al means the. So القلم, المكنسة, البنت, or the. Let's go to number 2, اثنان, which is number 2. المكنسة هنا. المكنسة هنا, the broom is here. المكنسة هنا, the broom is here. ثلاثة. Number 3. البنت هناك. البنت هناك. Number 3. The girl is there. هناك, there. البنت هناك, the girl is there. And number 4, أربعة. المسطرة هناك. المسطرة هناك. 4, the ruler is there. المسطرة هناك, the ruler is there. طيب, let's move on. C, read and translate orally. اقرأ وترجم. Translate is ترجم. So we're looking at the first column here, which says القاموس هنا. And here we see all the sentences end with هنا. هنا, and هنا means here, right? So let's look at number 1. واحد. القاموس هنا. القاموس هنا. القاموس, the dictionary. The dictionary هنا, the dictionary is here. The dictionary is here. So we see the word is not in the Arabic, right? Because simple Arabic constructions like this, we don't use the words like is and are and am, these simple verbs. Because in Arabic, these are essentially nominal sentences, so there is no word at all for is in these cases. Right. So if we look at the construction or the sentence al-qamusuna once again, we see that essentially the sentence starts with the, right? Then there is a word, a noun in this case, and then we have is, and of course finally we have yeah. So the is yeah, or the something is here. In the case of number one, al-qamusuna, the dictionary is here. Number two, al-kalbu huna, al-kalbu huna, the dog. The dog is here. Al-kalbu huna, the dog is here. Right. ثلاثة, al-bintu huna. Al-bintu huna, what is bint? The girl is here. Al-bintu huna, the girl is here. أربعة, number four, المسطرة هنا. المسطرة هنا, the ruler is here. المسطرة هنا, the ruler is here. طيب. And خمسة, number five, خمسة, الواحد هنا. الواحد هنا means the one is here. الواحد هنا, the one is here. The other one might be there, but the one is here. طيب. Let's move on to the second column. And here we have sentences ending with هناك, 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 هناك. And of course, هناك means there. And once again, all these sentences start with al. الكتاب, القط, الولد, الممسحة, المكنسة. And al is the. So then the next word changes, right? And of course, once again, we include the word is in English. The something is there. So the structure that we're looking at here is the structure. Once again, starts with the, and we have a word, a noun, followed by is. As we said, the is not to be found in the Arabic, and the final word is there. So that is the second sentence structure, which is basically the same as the first one, with the difference that here we end with there and not with here. So let's do them one by one. We had 1 to 5, so now the next one is sitta. Here we have sitta, sitta, number 6, and it is al-kitabu hunaka. And kitab is book. So al-kitabu, the book, is there. Number 7, sab'a, sab'a, al-qittu, al-qittu, and there's a shadda on the ta. Al-qittu hunaka. Qit is cat. The cat is there. Al-qittu, the cat is there. Right. Next one, ثمانية, number 8, ثمانية, الولد هناك. الولد, the boy. الولد, the boy is there. The boy is there. Next one, تسعة, تسعة, number 9, الممسحة هناك. And mimsaha is duster. Duster or dust cloth. So al-mimsahatu, the duster. هناك is there. Al-mimsahatu هناك, the duster is there. And finally, عشرة, number 10, al-miknasatu هناك. Al-miknasatu, the broom. The broom. Al-miknasatu, the broom is there. Right, so I hope you understand these structures. One last thing, if you look at all these sentences, you will see the first word. As we said, they all start with al, right? Al, al. And they all end with u. Al-qamusu, al-kalbu, al-bintu, al-mistaratu, al-wahidu. the others as well, all starting with al, so on, and they all end with al-waladu, al-mimsahatu, al-miknasatu. Okay, so in Arabic, if we have a simple sentence starting with the, which include the word is and then another word, then of course the will be al, right? Then we'll have the word in Arabic, and this word will end with a dhamma, right? Then the is in Arabic will have nothing there, just an empty space. And then the final word will be at the end of the sentence, right? So in this case we use the words there and of course ya, which in Arabic is ya is huna and there is hunaka, huna and hunaka, right? So basically with this construction will accommodate anything in English that follows this pattern, right? As long as the sentence starts with the, is, ya, or there. The is al. If you say the pen is here, al-qalamu, al-qalamu, huna. If you say the book is there, al-kitabu, hunaka. So if you know any other Arabic word, for example, you know the word mosque is masjid, so then you can simply insert the word masjid there and it will be al-masjid huna or al-masjid hunaka. If you know the word Kaaba, you want to say the Kaaba is there, then you'll say al-Kaabatu hunaka, al-Kaabatu hunaka. Right, so I hope you understand, and that brings us to the end of this lesson. Shukran jazilan wassalam.